To find the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c belongs to real number. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is equal to x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0 dividing by a, that is equal to x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a, adding b by 2a whole square both sides, that is equal to x plus b by a of whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4 square, and that is therefore x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, when b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, otherwise under root of b square minus 4ac is not real. That is x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and that is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, quadratic formula, and it is also called Siddharacharya's rule. Therefore, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two roots, alpha, beta, given by alpha equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta equal to minus b under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.